We have tested the products and found the problems. Below is the improvements. Firstly, we replace the spring in the moving contact. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Now we are going to test the springs. We got all the springs. For the old one, the elastic force is 0.6 when it is pressed 2 mm. Pressed 2 mm. And the elastic force is 0.6. The elastic force is small, so the force is not enough while push the button and cause the bad contact. For the new one, the elastic force is 1.2 under 2 mm pressure. That is double of the old spring. Around 1.3. The elastic force is suitable as the contact is well when pushing the button. Secondly, is the improvement of the contact material. For the old one, we use silver, and the new one is gold. The electric life of gold one is much longer than the silver. There is no doubt. Thirdly, is the improvement of the soldering technology. For the old one, we solder the wire directly with the scaling powder, and it will be cold joined sometimes. And then the contact resistance is very high. For the new one, we solder the wire by scaling powder, and then the solder tin, and then the scaling powder again. The wire will be contacted more firm as the contact resistance is smaller, and the contact is better. Fourthly, we add the equipment for testing the low resistance. Now we are testing the old one. You can see that the contact resistance is between 45 and 50. It's a little big. So the contact is poor, which means it's in the poor contact. And now for the new one. The testing result is around 12. which is much smaller and means contact better. With this equipment, we can simply test out the items that are in bad contact and then provide qualified products stably. Thank you.